Hey everybody, welcome back to Jason Explains Things. We made it to the last lawn care video of 2020. Today, really quickly, I just want to show you what I do every year to put my lawnmower away for the winter. So just yesterday, I did my last mow of the year, cleaned up all the leaves back here and everything. So once I was done mowing, only thing I did differently than usual is I left the fuel shutoff valve open and I ran the engine until it was completely out of gas. The gas tank totally empty, the carburetor completely empty of all gas. You do not want, when you put away your lawnmower, you don't want any of the gas in there because of the ethanol content can gum up and cause you problems the next time you come back to use it. So there you go, your mower has done its job for the year. Before I put it away, I like to have it all nice and clean. So first thing I did, I went and took it to the shop, used my air compressor and blew off all of the dirt, the debris, the dust, the grass clippings that were all stuck everywhere. I went and blew all that off. There's gonna just be some dog barking in this video, I hope you don't mind. Anyway, moving on. Next thing I did was I washed the mower. Now you can of course wash your mower at home with a hose, but I like to take it to a nearby car wash and use their pressure washer. When you do that though, you definitely want to cover the engine with a plastic bag so that you don't get any water, soap, that kind of thing inside the exhaust or inside the carburetor. Thoroughly clean the exterior of your mower and also the cutting deck. And if you have to get into those details and get all that crap out of there, it does take a little while and it's kind of messy. Also, when you do this kind of thing at a public car wash, you know, you could be a cool person instead of a jerk to the poor, like minimum wage people that work there, and you can wash your equipment right on top of that grate where all of the debris and sludge goes down into, and I like to wash it right on top of that, and then after I'm done, spray all of the grass and all the dirt into that grate so no one has to clean up after you. Good person bonus points. With that out of the way, I brought the mower back home and blew it off with my air compressor again. To protect the bottom of the engine and those expensive Honda blades, I like to coat it all lightly with some fluid film. That is, again, a little bit of extra credit, but it's a great idea to do it just to protect everything from moisture when you're storing it. You know, I store all my stuff in an exterior unheated shed, so it might get exposed to some moisture, and I just want to protect those blades from getting any rust over the next several months. Now is an awesome time to go ahead and remove and sharpen your lawnmower blades if you feel like doing it right now. I'm going to save that step for the spring. Next, I took the air filter off and inspected it. It was pretty clean, definitely reusable. With the air filter off, I sprayed a little bit of fogging oil directly into the carburetor. This will coat and protect the inside of the carburetor for the next several months. After that, I cleaned the air filter and put it back on. There's one more spot to spray some fogging oil into your engine if you feel so inclined, and that is right here, the spark plug. To do this, just simply remove your spark plug, spray a little bit of fogging oil in there, and then put it back on. Last step before we put this guy away for a while is to change the oil. And doing that is about as easy as an oil change can possibly be. Just get yourself a little oil pan, tip the entire mower on its side. Remember that the gas tank is empty now, so we're not gonna be leaking any gas. All the old oil will pour out. And I personally like to use AMSOIL small engine oil 10W30. You just pour a little bit of that in until you read full on the dipstick. Well, 2020 has been a bit of an off year for me and for probably everybody, but the lawn care videos on this channel have been crazy. They're by far the most popular, kind of to a point that's a bit depressing. But if you enjoyed those and you want to check out the other awesome stuff I do here, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you do not miss when I upload something, because I like to do a lot of different and fun stuff. So anyway, that's it. I will check you guys on the next project I'm doing. I'm gonna go put this away. Bye. Ugh. Thank you for your service, mower. All right. Snow blowers on deck.